Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I am happy to be here again today. I welcome you all to Lasso Journey Biz Talk. What I have to share with you in this video is about Sun Power investment platform packages. Sun Power investment platform packaging. The companies that generate residual income, they generate like that let your financial strength. So this is what I'm going to share with you in this video. You just need to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that you know how to go about it, how to get started, how to get registered, how to buy a package, and how to withdraw your money anytime whenever you have the minimum amount in your wallet. So but before I go deeper in this video, I want you to know one thing, that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic Stock. Okay, Lasogenic Stock is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment platform. So I share online investment platform opportunities here, and I also review online platform, and I give you my sincere recommendation. Okay, but you are also expected to do your own due diligence research before you venture into any of the business here, because this channel is mainly for financial education and not for financial advice. So you need to do your own personal findings to know if it's what you can go into, if what you can bear. All right, but I'm not scaring you, but I'm just telling you what it entails. Though these are few ways whereby I personally have been making money online, and I think it's worth sharing with you guys. All right, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Also, if after you have watched any of the content here, you found it to be very, very meaningful to you and helpful, and helpful, but please try, do not hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is Sun Power investment platform packages. Start now, start making money online now with Sun Power. So quickly, let me take you to the platform. So this is Sun Power here. Okay, so what the first thing that you need to do is to get registered, and for you to get registered, I get to cover. Just check below this video. You are going to see the description box, then click on it, and you are going to see the registration link inside the description box of this video. Kindly register, and after you have registered, you will be directed to the place to download this app, Sun Power app, so that you can check the packages, so that you can come on board, so that you can deposit, you can start making money online, so that you can also withdraw. Okay, so when you get started, the next thing for you to do is to come down here. Sorry, after you have registered, the next thing for you to do is to come down here to see the just click on purchase all, so that you know different packages that we have there. The first one here is Cheetah HC68M. It only costs 8,000 naira, and here you are earning 11 naira 50 kobo. So let's do some calculation. 11 naira 50 kobo multiplied by 24, so that is 24 hours. 11 naira point 5 times 24, that is you are earning 276 naira daily. So in 30 days, how much is that? That is 8,280. So in a week, in a month, you already have your capital and a little profit back in a month. So by so doing, you can make 100% of your capital in a month. So let's check another package here. Let's go for the last one here. It's Tiger Neo A60HC. It costs 800,000 naira, and you are earning 1,350 naira per hour. So let's do the calculation again. 1,350 times 24 times 30, that is 972,000, equals to 972,000 minus 800,000. So that is what you have is one of the packages here, depending on your own financial strength, and go for it. So after you have decided to join and to buy any of these packages, to buy any of this equipment, then you now need to click on me so that you can deposit the required amount. So just click on my wallet, then you click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, then you are going to select the amount that you want to recharge with. Then after you have selected it, you click on recharge and you'll be directed to the payment gateway where you are going to make the bank transfer, or you are going to copy the USSD code to send the money. And in a very short period of time, the money will reflect here in your dashboard. It will reflect here in your dashboard. So it will reflect here in your dashboard. So and after it has reflected, then you now need to go to purchase all back. So then you click on any of the equipment that you want to buy, then click on buy. So when you click on buy, then you confirm it. So immediately it will be confirmed and you start earning on hourly basis. So for you to claim your earning, just come to home. When you come to home, then you click on my device. You click on my device. When you click on my device, then it will bring your devices down here. So after an hour, your money will surely drop here. It will surely drop here. Then you now need to click on receive. So when you click on receive, the money will reflect immediately in your total asset here. So it will reflect here. So that is how to go about it. And also, if you want to withdraw, just click on me, then click on me. So when you click on me, then click on my wallet, then click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, you'll be asked to input your bank card, to bound your bank card, that is your account number and your bank details. So then you enter the amount that you want to withdraw. The minimum is 1,000 naira, and you are getting your withdrawal within 7 to 24 hours. You can see it's very, very swift. All right, so that is how to go about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions concerning this, you can message me through my WhatsApp or through my Telegram channel. Don't hesitate to join our Telegram channel because I'll be dropping some financial educational tips there also, so that you can follow us up. So join our Telegram channel and follow me on WhatsApp, on Twitter and other social media sites. All right. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and share to your friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.